Assalamu alaikum friends. Guys, in this short tutorial I will teach you if your shortcut application not working on your iPhone. So keep watching this video because I have some solution about this problem. Guys, first of all check the update of your shortcut application. Open App Store from here and check update from here and search shortcut application, and you can see my shortcut application already updated from here. Now go back and see the next solution. And guys, open setting application appears on screen, tap on it and scroll down, tap on journal and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. Guys, by doing reset network setting, any problem inside your iPhone solved by reset network setting. And you can see appears on screen. Simply tap on cancel and go back from here, and must be see the next solution. And guys, from open setting application, go back and tap on general again. Now tap on iPhone storage here. Guys, scroll down and find out shortcut application, tap on it and tap on offload app from here. Now offload from here, and guys, go back from here and reinstall this application. Here guys, go back and you can see tap on it and reinstalling this application. You can see appears on screen. And open App Store application, tap on it and you can see shortcut application downloading from here. And you can see go back and see the next solution and open shortcut application and delete the specific shortcut which does not work. Tap on it and tap on delete. You can see appears on screen. And wait for some seconds and go back from here. And guys, see the next solution, open setting application from here and go back and tap on software update. Is software update available? Now update your iPhone from here. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.